Hello, this Fogler Library tutorial will show you how to add permalinks to your Brightspace courses to link to course readings in library databases. Using permalinks for course readings rather than uploading PDFs is important because it allows the library to know what online resources are being used the most. First, let's talk about where to find permalinks. Open web resources are the easiest to link to because you can simply copy and paste the direct link from the page itself. However, many of the library's subscription databases don't work the same way, and if you copy the direct link, it will expire after a certain period of time, usually an hour or two, but sometimes less. Permalinks are designed specifically not to expire. To find a permalink, you have to go to the database where the full text of an article sits. This means that in databases like Web of Science that are primarily indices, you would need to click on the Find It button to get to the full text and thus the permalink of an article. Different databases will display the permalinks in different locations. In some databases, like Sage or Taylor and Francis, a DOI link is listed at the top of the article close to the title. In other databases, like Springer, the DOI link sits at the bottom of the page in the About This Article section. If a DOI link has the word proxy included in it somewhere, it will open with full text access for students. If a DOI link is listed but doesn't have the word proxy included in it, you can copy the DOI link into your Brightspace course, but students may need to use the proxy bookmarklet to get full text access. The proxy bookmarklet is a library tool that you or your students can save in your browser the same way you would save a bookmarked web page. When you reach an article that Fogler Library subscribes to behind a paywall, simply click on the proxy bookmarklet and it will tell the database that you're affiliated with the University of Maine and should have full text access. You can set up the proxy bookmarklet within your browser by visiting Maine InfoNet's proxy bookmarklet website. Databases like EBSCO don't use DOIs, but still provide permalinks. Once you find the article you're looking for, click on the title of the article to get to the article record. Once you're there, one of the options among the icons on the top right side of the screen is Share. Click on that option and then click on Create Link. ProQuest works similarly to EBSCO. Once you've clicked on the title of the article and are in the article record, click on the All Options icon in the upper right corner of the page. The very top item that appears is the permalink, and clicking on the link will copy it for you. If you're looking for a permalink for an article and can't find one, please contact your subject specialist librarian. They'll be happy to help you.